One thing we hear all the time from our clients is that I'm not ready to start blogging. I don't want this blog linked in my main navigation here. All of our templates and all of our Embark service offerings come with a blog setup and integration so that you can blog whenever you're ready. Blogging, as you may know, is great for SEO. It's great for letting Google know that you're an active site, you're an active business, and getting people to your site and sharing your expertise. So we always recommend blogging when you can. However, we know if you're a small business owner, you're likely wearing a lot of hats, and blogging is not always the first thing that can happen. So that's totally understood. And so, what you can do is you can navigate, once you're logged into your Squarespace site, navigate over to Pages. You'll see we have this main navigation and we have this not linked section. The not linked section means that the pages are still public, but they are not linked. So, unless someone knows the exact URL, they can't find the page on your website. So what you'll want to do is you can move any link that you want. You can move it down here to not linked. We typically put the privacy policy in there because you wouldn't need your privacy policy up in your main navigation, but you would want it down in your footer somewhere as just a link. And what you can do, you can add any pages here. You can move pages around. If I move these all here, it's going to update here with just the pages that you have in the main navigation. So that's a simple way to, have pages ready to go, be working on pages in progress, and then add them to your main navigation when you're ready. The other thing you can do is you can enable and disable pages. So you'll see this page is enabled. This is the privacy policy. So let's say I'm not going to collect any emails right now. I don't need my privacy policy page active. Click this button off, click save, and that's going to mean it's not viewable to anyone on the web, even if they have the URL. So it's totally disabled until you're ready to update it and collect emails. I'm going to turn this back on, but that's an easy way to work on pages, move things around so they're not live, and you can just move it back whenever you're ready to blog, and it will show up there.